don't even know how to start this video because it was supposed to be nice today. I was gonna head to Manassas. There was a car meet. I'm still gonna go. I did a poll last night on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, because then you guys see stuff like this, I was like, which one should I take to the show tomorrow? The Cobra or the GT500? I think it was like 74% said GT500. So we're gonna take the Cobra. I'm sorry, I was gonna take the GT500, but when it's like this, it'll melt. Actually gonna meet up with Maxwell. Maxwell's the previous owner. He has not seen this car in person since I got it from him. I'm waiting on him right now. But look at the pollen on this thing. I was gonna have to wash her anyways. She's covered in pollen. What's up, dude? Oh shoot, it looks good. So this is what you replaced the Cobra with.
Yep.
So how you liking it?
I love it.
You love it?
It's a little loud, but I love it.
Oh yeah, I heard you coming. How you doing, JD?
Nice to meet you, man. I'm Bro.
It's actually pretty clean, man. Well, you got a little bit on the sides, but
yeah.
Dude, those tires are tucking. Yeah. Do they rub?
No.
They don't rub?
No, not at all. I mean, speed bumps, I mean, a scrape, but.
So what do you think of the Cobra?
I like it.
It looks so different though, doesn't it?
Completely different car. Damn,
yeah.
I haven't seen it in forever.
Rolling out. So before I get my day started, I just gotta make one quick stop right there. You sure do know how to park that thing. Well, that's how you know. While you're at it, go wipe that one down.
I've done that plenty of times, John.
All right. Now we got our Starbucks. We can actually officially get the day started. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you gotta have this to get your day started. Maxwell got held up at that light back there, so I pulled over just to wait for him because I'm not sure if he knows where he's going, but it's literally right up here. So do you really?
Can't even get it out.
Awesome, dude.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, you too. How much is it? $10.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it, man.
That's sweet. That's sweet. First guy we run into has a Joyride hoodie. That's awesome, man. Brandon to Jesse, how far did you drive?
4 hours.
4 hours to come to this meet, and you've got a Cobra, right?
03 Terminator.
03 Terminator Cobra, and let them know what you traded for it. Maxwell, you better be listening.
I got rid of my 2016 S550, and it was a good swap.
Good swap.
I enjoy it.
Holy crap. It's almost as big as my truck, but not quite. What do you think?
Yeah, I think we got it beat.
So this GT350 that I'm over here drooling over belongs to this guy, Frank. You said this, how much power is this thing making?
Making 960 on 14 pounds.
On E85, that's insane. So when do I get to drive it?
Anytime you want.
Anytime?
Come out to the house. I'll come out to your house and we'll mess around.
Yeah, this thing is nasty. Yeah, I wouldn't want to mess with it with the GT500. I think it'll get me. Mine's not making quite that much, and that was to the wheel, right?
To the wheels, yes, sir.
That's insane. That's badass. I love it. What turbo is it?
It's the Precision 6466s. It's a Hellion twin turbo kit.
Okay.
Yep.
That's nasty.
Even though I got all this car, man, I'm still jealous of that Terminator.
Oh, so you want to get a Terminator?
I want to get a Terminator.
Get it. I'll trade you. Hey, I'll trade you my Terminator for this.
Car for car.
Car for car. I don't think that's quite a fair deal for him, but definitely for me. So much want right there. Look at that V6 hanging out the back of that. That's pretty sick looking. Look at this guy. What's going on, dude?
Oh, man,
I'm all right. How you been?
Good to see you. Good to see you.
You too, dude. The car, I swear I thought this car was white.
That's what everybody thinks.
I thought it's not white. It is definitely not white. It's, what is it? It's like,
called ceramic matrix gray metallic.
it's got like a hint of like blue to it
Exactly.
too.
So whenever the sun is out, people will say it looks more white than anything.
Yeah.
But whenever it's overcast like this, there's a blue hue that comes out of it.
All right.
That's your baby, man.
Yeah. Hold on. Where's the New Balance?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I have to wear that next time.
Why'd you put this ricer wing on there?
Because
I'm
it's
messing
actually
with you.
functional.
And then why are those grills look so
Because
big?
Z06s had that heat soak problem, so we had to go ahead and
No,
fix it.
I'm roasting him from your video. You guys check him out. That's his YouTube channel right there.
Go DZR1 Messiah.
Yeah.
Me and JD will do a collab one of these days.
Because we've actually known each other before YouTube.
Yes.
A
Before
long
YouTube,
time.
Before I knew JD was on YouTube or anything like that, I'd known him from. I'll let him discuss where I know him from, but yeah.
Oh, you don't tell people about that?
No, I've never told anybody about that.
Okay.
That's for another vlog.
Another vlog. You guys gotta stay tuned and you'll eventually figure that out. And damn. Alright, they're done. They're done. A little part of me kind of wants an Evo again. A lot of imports. And we're gonna actually head back to Front Royal, I believe Max and Jesse with the Cobra, and then grab a bite to eat. So then I also heard that the Front Royal meet, or the Shenandoah Ford Car Show, the one that I mentioned that was actually going on today, that was actually canceled due to the rain that was back in Front Royal. That show is actually postponed, and they postponed it to May 5th, which is next Sunday. So if you guys want to go to that, I'm going to show up. So, and I'll probably have both cars. Actually, my goal is I'm going to try to have both cars at that show. So I will definitely be there. So if you guys want to check it out, but we're going to roll out with these guys. So. Ladies first. Ladies first. What Mustang do you got? So we go in to eat, we come back out, and we found a friend. Well, you found a friend.
Not an EcoBoost. Oh, that is a V8 then.
Dude, it's a bullet.
Hey, get that cropped out where I said EcoBoost. Yeah.
He thought it was an
Hey,
EcoBoost.
no, cut it out.
Where are we going now?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. All right, transition. Low fuel light just came on. We can't go fast right here.
Why?
Because
Why, Dad?
because we're like in the middle of the town, bud. What about that race?
No, I mean, I don't know. Gotta.
Huh? What happened, man?
Nothing. Listen, it's an auto, all right? When I stopped on it, she had to drop a gear, and you were already gone.
It's an auto.
Yeah.
Come on,
Hey, man.
autos are faster.
I gotta hold my girl's hand, man.
You guys have never had this ice cream. This is probably our most favorite ice cream place in Front Royal. If you guys ever come to Front Royal, you got to check this place out. The guy that works in here is the wild one.
Yeah.
He's definitely a character. They want to try the free harassment.
Oh, come on up here. Come on up here. Stand in front and center. The mad scientist. Yeah, they're going to get one of my concoctions. As they said when you were young, be afraid. Be very afraid. Right about now is when that.
Oh, man.
Small joys in owning an ice cream shop.
What did it taste like? Oh man.
It's a blackberry, blueberry blend with habanero peppers. So that's where that kick comes from, right at the end. It's like, oh man, this is good. Okay. That's what it's about here, CC.
If you get a whole cone and eat it, I'll pay for it. He said no. You said no. Is it spicy? Yeah.
People do eat.
You got a tracking device on me?
Yes, I do.
Wrap it up, man. Wrap it up. All right, he doesn't know how to do it. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog. Next Sunday, May 5th, Shenandoah Ford, they're having a car show, the one that got rained out that was supposed to be today. I will be there. I wanna thank Jesse for the ice cream. What'd you think of the ice cream? It was good?
It was great.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.